What is going on, guys? It's Matt, and in this video we're going to be reviewing DZOFilm's new full-frame, Parfocal, butter smooth Catta Cine Zooms. So let's get into it.
And a big thanks to DZOFilms for sending us their all-new Catta Zooms for review. Yeah, it's me. It's Connor. I'm here. I'm still in the video sometimes.
We are going to be reviewing both the 35 to 80 millimeter and the 70 to 135 millimeter T2.9. And since these lenses are made for full-frame cameras, all test footage you see was shot with our Canon R5 with an RF mount. So the DZOFilm Catta Cine Zooms are an amazing choice if you're looking for a cinema-quality lens on a budget, and if you happen to have a full-frame camera. All right, so right off the bat, these are zoom lenses. So it's really important to mention that these lenses are parfocal, meaning your subject stays in focus throughout the entire zoom range of the lens. You see this all the time in TV sitcoms or documentary-style filmmaking, where the camera quickly punches in and crash zooms, but still stays in focus. When your lenses are parfocal, all you really have to do is set your focus on your subject, either fully zoomed in or fully zoomed out, and that's it. You pull perfect focus every time throughout the entire zoom range of the lens.
Now, like we mentioned, these lenses are made for full frame bodies, so all B-roll shot in this video will be on the Canon R5, which has an RF mount. But what if you were shooting with multiple cameras and multiple mounts? We also have the DZOFilm Catta Cine Zooms, but in order to change those lens mounts, it requires a lot of time and patience, which I'm guessing a lot of people in productions don't have for when you're out in the field or out on set. Well, the Catta Zooms, they change all of that. Simply unlock, twist, and the mount comes right off, making it super fast and efficient to hot swap mounts in a pinch. DZO has also integrated plug-in filters. This will allow you to hot swap filters and effects like neutral density filters, UV filters, haze or streak filters, colors, and so much more. And speaking of filters, we actually have a set of the all-new DZOFilm Coupe filters on their way, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that.
Now, like Connor said, we also have the DZOFilm Catta Cine Zooms, and as much as we love them in terms of weight and materials, the Cattas, they're on another level. Over 100 grams lighter, and with all new composite materials, they're pretty great. Not to mention, they also come in this awesome white color. Get yourself a white red V-Raptor and you've got yourself a nice little Stormtrooper setup.
Now let's talk about everything pertaining to the actual glass of these lenses, particularly their amazing breathing room. For those who don't know, lens breathing is when you're adjusting your focus and the focal length seems to change. The breathing room on these lenses is fantastic. Here they are compared to our DZOFilm Catta Cine Zooms and even some of our Sigma lenses.
And while we're on the subject of focusing, we have to mention the buttery smooth rings on these lenses. The focus ring has a rotation of 270 degrees, plenty of throw. The zoom ring is 100 degrees, also plenty of throw, and an aperture rotation of 75 degrees. Really nice touch. And of course, if you're using a wireless follow focus system like the Tilta Nucleus M, the Catta Zooms have built-in geared rings around each of those parameters. This kit is absolutely oozing value, and I think DZO knocked it out of the park with this one.
A big thank you again for DZOFilm for sending us these lenses for review, and stay tuned next week as we do a full review of the full 8 lens lineup of their Vespid Primes. That's gonna be a good one. Stick around, subscribe, like, comment. As always, thank you so much for watching. My name is Connor.
My name is Matt.
We are Viva Media, and we'll catch you in the next video. What a glorious view. It's glorious.